Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today, that's 40 degrees. It's enough to melt me frozen water bottle. We're here on location with Paul Springer. We're going to tackle this piece of loveliness I found out in the wild. Now Paul's going to attempt a in the wild in situ pick, and I'm going to attempt to film it with two cameras in case in this 40 degrees one of us stuffs up. At least we've got it on film and we can show you all what it's all about. So we're not going to tell you where we are, just to keep anonymity there. I do have permission from the owners to pick this lock and to take it away today as my own. So we're going to press play on Paul's video. Press play.
Okay, we're live now, so to speak.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, I'm trying to do this comfortably. Like I said, this could be a brilliant success or an abject failure, but we do have a plan, probably plan C or D, Hacksaw. Anyway, let's give it a go. As ever, slightly dirty, but yeah. Trying to get some tension on some pins, but as it happens, it's not working.
Take you out with an
No worries.
Yeah, that'll be my camera work. So is that on shot on your camera?
Oh, I can't see, mate. Probably have to go up a bit.
Yeah, how's that?
Yeah, that's fine, mate,
got
I
it?
think. Can't really see because there's sun behind me. No doubt Pocket Woman will be praying right at this moment for a speedy opening for the sake of her camera and my camera. But yeah, well, yeah, mate, if the cameras break down or whatever, that's the worst case scenario for me and her. But sometimes, yeah, I don't want to be negative, but you know, first indications are not good, folks. I should have brought my vice with me in my desk. Yeah, Jason at SN Lock and Key, he took that, made a little parody about that, which is quite funny actually. It was all light-hearted though, wasn't it? No, we will, but yeah, so. Yeah, we're not. Yeah, we're sitting there actually on the bitumen here, or comfortably could possibly be, right next to someone's car. And I was telling Puckle, Murphy's Law is that person that's going to come out of the shopping centre very shortly and will want to move, and it will no doubt interrupt our multi-million-dollar production here. But, yeah, I know it's not. I could, act like Uri Geller and tell him I'm not feeling it at the moment, as he says, when he got exposed by Johnny Castle back in the 80s. Yeah, no idea what's in this. Could be, or I would hazard the guess, it'd be Masters in it. And my hand is cramping up like it's late tomorrow. What I might do is just want to back off a bit. I just want to take my hand away. My hand's actually killing me.
My hand's shaking. Can we extend? Oh, sorry about that, folks. Just need to extend the hole.
Try and get
Extend it so I've got some.
That's what the vice is about, mate. It's so important.
Yeah. There we go. Get the other back so I can
This is a special occasion, obviously. If it is ultimately in the wild, I wouldn't. Yeah. It's about expediency, so it would have been a case of chopping that off, giving the customer the padlock, and giving them suggestions to go and get some of the water back up. But yeah. Well, we should have, the ideal world should have Murloc 68 out here. The bloody hands are still. You can hang on to this baby for 40 minutes.
Might go back under.
Yeah, I'm gonna block your view actually.
It's okay, I'll get under your arm.
No, you're right.
Come in. I'll just consensually rest my hand on your lap there, Paul.
Hey, what's going on here?
Yeah. Picking in the wild, mate, anything can happen.
A few people walked past actually and didn't say anything obviously, but had a little slight look of concern on their face.
The look of what though?
Yeah,
It's
I should have bought a Channel 10 sticker, put it on a box, and they were be none the wiser. Yeah. Yeah, it's I'm not sure how much time we got really before this camera starts shutting down, and I can't even see it. I don't know my camera's still going actually. I don't think it's on anymore, mate. Can I just...
Take the umby and have a look. Put the umby behind you.
No, it's gone off. Bloody hell.
It's gone off.
Yeah. That's shouldn't do. It's not hot. No. Is yours still going?
Yep.
Yeah, it's cut out. Okay.
That's all right. We'll just do. If it takes us 5 videos on YouTube to get it up, it'll take us 5.
We'll just put it in parts. Part 1, 2,
Yeah.
3 to 5. Hopefully
Part it
not
up.
part 22.
Yeah, we'll keep the suspense going, mate.
Alright, so yeah, I think I've got, well, yeah, so anyway, so there we go. There's going to come a point where I've got to abandon it. I can't realistically sit here with Pocket Woman all day in the sun. One of us end up with this bloody heat stroke, more likely me. Yeah.
Because I'm the one wearing a hat. Paul's not very sun
I'm out
smart.
now, no, I'm too far gone to be worried about what I look like, mate. My problem is actually...
Are you two okay?
Yeah,
fine,
we're good.
fine, mate. Doing a video. So.
Video what?
Oh, this.
Lock sport.
How to undo
Yep.
lock?
Yeah. How to try to undo the lock. Doesn't always work. What's your camera? What's the general length of time it will go without sort of?
It'll go until I run out of storage space.
Okay.
So I've cleared a lot of storage when I had the stuff up on the thing and I had to redo everything. So I should have a heap of storage.
Yeah, my worst enemy is my actual hands cramping up.
And mine's my arms starting to shake because of muscle wasting. So our bodies are working against us,
Yeah,
but we'll see how we go.
bloody hell. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, so...
You can only try.
So let's get a dip into a false set maybe, but... Yeah, I don't know. What the problem is seriously, it's this tension wrench. Because when I backed off, only one pin dropped. So I've only sort of manipulated one pin at the moment. I don't do top of the keyway, unfortunately. We don't do that in the wild. Ordinarily you wouldn't do it. But,